This is like really simple stuff. I mean,
you can always learn any musician.
You know, play like Byron does. It's like
everybody has.
I mean, I'm not that fast.
Hey, isn't it Danita doing Tina Turner tonight?
Danita's doing Tina tonight, yes.
Yeah, see, I didn't think she was here.
She's going to take Cher's place.
You're always the last to know, Jay.
You're always the last to know, Jay.
Now I've got to go through this whole song list. Okay.
What do you think, Jeffrey?
Jimi Hendrix.
Ready to pound this out tonight, man?
I'm ready, man.
As usual.
Yes.
One here. That's actually two.
You ready for the show tonight, bud?
No. Because if we detect my corns hurt, my feet hurt, my throat hurt, my dick hurt. I'm just all hurt. You gotta edit that, huh?
Get dressed. You got 20 minutes.
How you doing?
You ready for the big show tonight?
You better believe it.
All right. Let's
Big
get it.
show, huh?
You bet.
Better believe it.
So what do you think of this show, man?
Oh, I love the show. I really like the show. I hope we renew this son of a bitch so I can stick with it.
So what is it that you do here anyway for the show?
Absolutely nothing. I basically just take crap from everybody and listen to Banny tell me what I'm doing wrong.
It's been my privilege and honor to work with Hail Hail Rock and Roll because they're the best. I mean, they are the best of the best. You know, like you find people who think they are the people who they are. Does that make any sense? No, like we had an Elvis that thought he was an Elvis, but he wasn't an Elvis. He was actually a Buddy Holly. Only because he put on glasses and it changed the whole thing. So what happens is when you get together and you make a show, like this guy, Greg Stefani, I mean, I watch him every single night. I don't know how he does it. I'm surprised he stays awake during by the time we get halfway through the show, Jimi Hendrix, he walks off and takes a nap. He has no time. He's got to take a nap. You know what he does? Here's his job. Ladies and gentlemen, Jimi Hendrix. And then he walks off the stage, and then Byron goes up and plays his ass off for whatever songs that he's going to do, and da-da-da-da-da. Smoke everywhere. Nobody can see crap. And all of a sudden, up pops a head behind the keyboards. Ladies and gentlemen, Jimi Hendrix. And who is it? Greg. We woke him up.
All about the water, baby.
That's the spirit.
Get dead back to life. Tina follow me this time?
Tina's going to follow me.
Okay. No problem.
By the way, thanks for your time.
No problem. Did she ever play? Because I was trying to make her play and she's like...
Yeah, no, she had to sit in front of her last night. She was
really?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
It was cool. Thanks a lot.
All right, you're welcome.
Well, Danita, I just want to say what a pleasure it is to have you back.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be here. Way out here.
That ain't what he said last night. He said, hey, that goddamn girl, man, not show up over here no more.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, he did.
You know, you can't believe it.
And then I said,
I know, because he lied.
I said, Denise,
Or Jackie Wilson.
Or Stevie Wonder.
Or Johnny Mathis. Whoever the hell else he is.
Whoever the hell else he is.
No wonder he's got so many problems. He thinks he's 10 different people. Anyway, we got looks like a sold house tonight, so...
That's funny, I couldn't hear a soul out there.
Yep, sold out, man. That's because you don't listen. Little Richard's deaf, too. You know. We would also like to let you know that what you're about to see is completely live. There is no lip syncing, no tracks or sequencing being used. We strive to give you the most accurate performance of the artists we portray, and hope that this show will bring back memories and create new ones for years to come. And now, Prim Valley Resorts, in coordination with MGM Mirage Corporation, proudly presents Hail, Hail, Rock and Roll!
China is 120 years old, walk faster than that. God damn. When I'm 72, I'm gonna be fucking.
Well, if he walking like that,
Hey, man, come here. Come on, man. Slow down. Let me catch you. I'm gonna be like, hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? 72. You know.
So you ready tonight, man?
Where's I'm gonna be?
2 hours of Elvis.
Same as last night?
2 hours of Elvis, except Tina will open for you. Yeah.
On Chef Shares will be Tina right there?
Yeah.
Treat me like a fool, treat me cruel, oh never love me, the way my